Counting stitches on garter stitch can be a little confusing because it's a very bumpy fabric, but if you stretch it out, you can start to see what's happening. So the umbrella here is connected to this V here. So that is one stitch. If I want to count the stitches going across, I'm going to count umbrellas, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And if I want to count the rows on garter stitch, the best thing to do is actually to count ridges, because those are really easy to see. This is a ridge, right? Each ridge is 2 rows. It can be confusing to be sure whether you've counted all your rows with garter stitch. So actually the best thing is to count the ridges on both sides. So this is my cast on, so I'm going to skip that and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and there's my bind off. I'm going to turn it over and count the ridges again. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 50. So that's 50 rows because I have 25 ridges on each side. If I had 24 ridges on one side, I would have 49 rows, which is difficult to tell if you only count one side and you're counting the ridges each as 2 rows. So that's how you count rows and stitches in garter stitch.